energy, I did it all again. Had to prove it to myself this time. Took a shot and got another win. Better than anyone else with mine. Now they all wanna do it like me.
It's like a blizzard out there. You guys probably can't see that. Here. I don't think that's coming through on the video because of how small the things are. But it's like a blizzard. I think it's basically white out there. We got the little tiny heater trying to heat up all of this. Just gonna take a while. And now the waiting game starts. So let's see. Once this zooms out the whole way. Let's see, what time is it? 9:36. That's blurry for you guys, but they should be here around 9:45, 10. I'm just watching the road. Also, guys, this little heater that I have in here is literally doing nothing. It's still freezing in here. It's been on for probably like 45 minutes. Alright, so I showed you last time, I think it was like 9:36, and now it is 9:58, and they're still not here. But then again, it's cold and their bikes have to warm up. So I'm just going to keep watching the road. I hear them. Oh yeah, you can see that. Alright, now I gotta open the garage. Alright, here they are. Alright, let's see. Are they gonna listen? Here comes the squad.
Oh, how tempting it is.
I know. I was like, just whatever you do, please don't. Oh god, that's zoomed in pretty far. Yeah, I got a surprise for you guys. I went to DMV earlier today, okay? And it's straight legal now.
Wait, really?
No.
The princess of sucking at right in the middle of winter.
Pretty much, it's princess.
What do you think of these things?
They're pretty cool. Got them studded tires.
There's about a 1/4 inch of metal sticking out of these things.
Yep.
Production cameras.
You want to explain what's going on here?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to shoot this thing with 22, pop the bead, and then lift it off with the crane.
Alright, that sounds good. Take her away.
On his face and
wearing overalls.
We need to get all the air out of the darn thing first, and then pop it off.
Do you hear all my studs are? I mean, all my spokes
We need
are
to tighten
different?
them before we put this thing back together.
Feel it. Wait. Where's this screwdriver or something? Just
Hand starter.
Usually, if your things are right, you can feel them just here.
wait a second. Do you even smack?
Give me the wallet here.
That's different. That's different. They're all different.
Let me see this.
I don't know what the heck someone did with this. What, you want the camera?
Yeah.
You want the camera? There you go. There's the camera.
Can you adjust that stand? This thing's about to fall off over.
Just
Just adjust the stand. Pull it out a little bit.
Oh, it just slips right in for yours.
Got the tire.
Well, since
Got
I'm
the
on this
YZ.
thing's slippiest.
Yeah, I know. Here it is. I might be able to put it underneath something.
Get a nice walk
Are
around.
you still? Don't use up all the battery.
Oh, can't show the name.
Oh, why not?
Cause
I'm gay.
how did you know?
We're gonna throw it away.
Got the race bike. Race number 709. Then we got the studded 100.
Yeah, pretty much.
Then we got some sort of goon.
Wait. Put it down at like an angle on there.
It isn't gonna stay retarded.
Alright, what did you just ask?
How do you ride this?
So I don't even use this gas because it doesn't go full throttle. I reach under here and pull it back so it goes even farther. You can feel that little lever thing, but that, like, that's the governor bypass. So you get, like, a lot more speed, and it revs out till it explodes, basically. A little bit sketchy. Oh yeah, I got dragged across
the one wrench that you don't have is the one that I need.
Are you kidding me? What size is that?
Just a little sketchy. This thing's like
12?
put your foot on the-
14, wait, actually 12? You need a 12?
Button ratchet for either.
Actually, that doesn't even look like a 12. Is that a 12? Or did I just throw that back in the 12 thing? Yeah, I don't think that's a 12. That's like...
7/16 retard.
I know, I just saw it in the 12.
It's so weird.
Yeah, I know, it's made to be sketchy.
Did you make it by yourself or something?
13.
Or did you buy it?
Honestly. I bought it.
From who?
Tractor Supply.
That is
12. Here's the 12.
That is one sketchy mofo.
You don't like it? I got dragged across, the lever's broken and the
I mean, I
guard's all like messed up.
still trying to
Oh yeah, look at the rear fender. You like the drift stitches?
Yeah, sure.
It's snapped in half, so.
Have a wheelie on it?
No, it doesn't. Damn that a little more.
Alright, so today we are working,
How many monkeys does it take to change a tire?
I don't know, 2, 3.
You need
6.
me to come over there, Brandon? Is it hard to get it started?
Alright, so the nice terrific work.
I would not recommend doing it like that.
Alright, we put the spark plug in the
Breaking your
carburetor
freaking,
or what?
Do it flat. Do it flat.
Alright, I'm gonna tighten this.
Flop palm?
Oh, that's not that good. That's
it's
not
not good
very
at all.
tight.
It's terrible. Yeah, look at this. Look at the stand thing. It's bending on the other side like it's about to fall over. You're not even showing the stand.
Yes, I am.
You're
And then
such a
the
bad
wobble.
video maker.
And you're such a bad vlogger.
I don't vlog.
There's a nice 2-stroke engine.
Show them where you put the spark plug.
You put it right here. Nah, I'm just kidding. You put it like over here. Alright. You'd normally put it
Yeah, I was gonna say closer to it would probably be easier.
around over here. Or if it's a different bike. Got all the setup.
Oh my god, you care.
Aaron, that gets a spark plug. I can't find it.
It's underneath the gas tank. You have to take the gas tank off to basically even get to it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's the good Yamaha charm. Alright, Ian, explain your ride over here.
My ride.
Yeah, your
Yeah, I
ride.
got the
You're one of 3 bikes.
FMF fatty.
Alright.
Then you got the nice scrippy seat.
Oh yeah.
Gotta have the Harley Davidson. No, I'm just kidding. That's stupid.
This is actually a Harley model, okay?
No.
This was made by Harley Davidson.
Metal Militia. You know, we bought it off some guy who put the piston and rigs in backwards. So yeah, it blew
That ain't
up.
a joke either. That's dead serious.
What? You might need to tighten your chain just a tiny bit.
Nah, it's right perfect.
Oh my god.
No, bro, I was popping mad wheelies earlier. When I came down, and then on this side,
On this side,
we got the nice brand new Kickstarter because it came bent.
Oh yes. It came bent.
Yeah.
Didn't your dad snap yours off, Brandon, on your 100?
And then we got the nice 4-stroke.
I feel like this thing needs more air let out of the thing.
Okay,
got
that probably would be the problem.
The energy.
I think he wanted
Alright,
to
we got the
rip-
beat off now. Sir Brandon doing the work. Personal mechanic.
Yeah, I was holding it a minute ago.
He was.
Then I got too tired.
My back tire is actually looking decent.
Are you changing that today or
No.
what? Good.
No.
You did not kill me.
Then we gotta set the
Dylan.
Sagamore on the
Then you
back.
go hang out at Dylan's.
Yeah, we gotta go do some sketchy jumps. This is gonna be fixing crap in the garage video. Alright, so now we went over to the other mechanic's house to grab a stud. I mean, not stud remover, we're all good. Valve stem remover.
Why, still trying to get your tire on?
Yeah.
We're gonna try and get it off.
And then, here's his project. Here's a sneak peek of the video that'll be coming up. It's a 540cc 2-stroke in a little tiny Chinese quad frame.
It's mostly a Chinese mechanic shop in here.
How well does it ride?
This,
Yeah.
it rode well with another engine. It just pulls really hard to the left. I like the back pulley. It's the size of the tire.
Well, do you have one or not?
I can't find that. I think
Alright, so Alright, so after lots of trial and error, and Brandon and them had to go home. But, I finally got this off. It took forever. We just filmed this snow goon riding video thing. Dylan almost freaking died. I don't know if this is focused or not. But these spoons, I had so much trouble getting these off. The freaking bead off the rim. It was terrible. Alright, so after trying for a long time, I finally got it off. Everything's looking pretty good on it. Nothing's really bent. I mean, the rim in one spot's a tiny bit bent. I'll just bend it back, though. But this is why I'm changing this tire. It's because you can see the knobs are coming off the side. And I'm putting on this nice Dunlop Geomax AT81. So, yeah. Show you when I'm putting this on. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the tube out and about to put the tire on. And I got my soapy water. The next video I'm gonna be adjusting the suspension on this thing, the sag, because when I sit on it, it goes from up here, it's like down here, and the front's still normal. So I need to adjust that. And the chain, it's looking good right now, but it did look really tight. But it looks fine now, so I'll see you when I'm putting on this tire. Holy mother of God. Who's calling me? Brandon. Alright, so after like 3 hours, I sort of got it on. I need to get it on right there. The rim's a little bent. I need to bend that back. But, holy God, I finally got it on after hours. Holy God. Mostly on. Like, there's certain spots, like right there and stuff, that I need to fix, but I'm gonna fix that.